John McKinnon back at IFCEE, Dallas, Texas, 2024. Sitting here at the TEI booth with Billy. Billy, what do you think of this weather?
Let me tell you, John, I think it's hot.
That it is. It is wicked hot out here. So tell me about this beautiful piece of equipment mounted on this skid steer.
Thanks for asking, Fred. This is our MEM drilling attachment designed for excavators. We also have this now fabricated up so you can run it on a skid steer, or we'll talk about it here in a little bit, our spider legs that are becoming very popular in the drilling industry.
So what size skid steer do you need to run this size model?
Mitch, we call for the biggest skid steers possible. So we need some flow. The high flow units are good. The track units are getting bigger, so we're able to put bigger attachment on those. But yeah, we need, for this particular drill, we need 35 gallons a minute for optimum performance.
And so what kind of stroke does this thing have?
This has got 10.5 foot of stroke. Why do we do 10.5? We try to accommodate for our customers so they don't have any hassles or problems on the job. We can put the coupler on there and the bit and still have plenty of stroke for a 10-foot rod.
Huh, no, that's pretty good. So tell me about this mast construction, what you've done with this kind of, the different mast configurations you have.
So what we've done over the last couple of years, the sales guys get together once a year. We're out in the field a lot. We listen to our customers. We have 2 full-time engineers in-house at TEI, and the request has been that they want something made of steel that's still lightweight. So we'll talk here in a minute about our feed systems, but below this we had an ACF feed system, which is aluminum, and then we had a larger HCF or PCF feed system, which was larger steel. So we kind of filled the gap for our 300 series drills, came up with this new SCF system that kind of is in between, and that's kind of how this was all born out of our customer requests, kind of filling the gap of things that we didn't have before, and our engineers are really confident that this delivers the same performance as our other feed systems.
So you're telling me that if I come to you, I need an application, I need what you do, maybe a little differently, you got people in-house that can take that, design something, stamp it, official, fabricate it, like start to finish?
Absolutely. We're an ISO certified shop, so that's the highest level of manufacturing that's around. That enables us to sell to big, large government groups, and small mom and pop contractors get the benefit from that manufacturing level that we're at. And we design everything in-house, so we have 2 full-time engineers that just work on TEI products.
So you got, looks like this has quite the ability to articulate, kind of probably even scratch its own ass. I mean, like, what can you do with this machine?
Yeah, the nice thing about this thing, Jimmy, is it's got feed extend, so you can feed extend down into the hole. It's got a vertical and horizontal rotator, so you can virtually drill around the corner of something, you can drill under yourself. Both rotators will allow you to turn on the axis 360 degrees. So virtually any drilling angle or situation you get in, this drilling attachment is going to be able to accommodate that.
Now, do you operate the entire system from the cab, or do you have the ability to walk out?
Oh no, Rick Marshall would put a hexnay on that, right? You can't be operating drills from inside the cab. So this, you can either have an operator in there to move the skid steer around, and then these are all fully remote, so you can actually have the driller here next to the hole, making sure that everything is lined up perfect. Perfect scenario for safety and perfect for the customer. This is the spider leg that goes with that MEM drilling attachment. So our attachment would mount here. This part of this would attach to the spider. This leg enables the spider to climb up the hill. Once they get in position, they can spin around on this thing, plant this in the ground above them, and then drill off of the top of this platform. So part of the great one of this attachment is just the flexibility that we have in different arrangements that you can set it up in.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah. Not only that, so we make this one, we also make one that's a little bit smaller to accommodate our MME, and then we're working on a larger one for our HEM style of attachments.
So, and that mast attachment attaches to this, which attaches to your spider?
Correct, yeah.
All right, fantastic. Actually, one last thing that I just want to ask before we stop talking about this. Where's this made?
We are made in Montrose, Colorado. We've been in business for 44 years. We're a small manufacturer, you know, kind of like that little band from Texas, ZZ Top. But yeah, we make these all in Montrose, Colorado on the western slope.
All right, fantastic. Well, thank you, Billy.
You bet, thank you.